Hello, my creative friends and folks. It's really getting cold outside now, isn't it? Just 2 months more, and it will be 2023. Whoa, we. But first things first. Well, we're invited to join the Christmas Craft Fair in Watford this coming November. Watch for the full announcement of this fundraising event in my Facebook and my Instagram account, okay? Because of this, I am committed to make a few things to sell on the fair, which we would also like to try to teach you so that you can also make a sale. So I will be inviting all of you to go there to buy them. It will be at Stanborough Park Church in Watford. Don't forget. I'm thinking of making coasters and even placemats for now, and want them reversible so that we can still use them after Christmas. Is that okay? Okay, let's prepare our scissors and materials. Come on, click that like button below. I always don't know where it is. Is it right or left? Click that like button below now so we can start. Talk to me too using the comment section below. If you have any questions or if there's anything you want us to do, be free to do it. Now, let's keep learning and keep living. Now get your old chosen coaster and trace it on your fabric. Now cut, leaving a ½ inch on 3 sides and 1 inch on one side. Then choose your Christmas fabric. I chose here cotton. As you can see, there's lots of art designs on this fabric. So I chose the deer as my main design by putting it in the middle of the coaster's marking. Then get a light interfacing or a fusible interfacing. With the wrong sides together, get your Christmas fabric and your interfacing, baste it or baste them together or stitch the sides together following the mark. Then you stitch all 3 sides, but at the lip side or up on the 4th side, which has the lip on it, leave a gap of about 1½ inch. Then turn it right side out with the help of little Percy. Now we reverse it using the stone in the corners. As you can see, there's a guy opening here. The rest of the sides are closed. So you have your Christmas coaster, and if it's not Christmas, then you can use the other side, which is reversible. You can use it both ways, right? This one is cotton, and this one is corduroy. But if you'd rather buy from us, just head to Facebook and open CM Stitching. See you there!